going to share with you a new capture card that I purchased just to assist with some of the work that I do in remote production. At this time, I'm going to unbox a capture card. This is a USB 3.0 game capture card live streaming. Comes in a nice black box right here. And so let's see what it has. Packaging. Nice packaging. Have capture card is a nice box square. And let's lift it up. See the components of it. We have the out and we have the in of the HDMI outputs. Then we have the line in. Then we have a PC connection. This allows me to connect to a PC or a MacBook, but it is using the USB format. And so it is a nice, small, you can see the print, small hand size object that we have, and that we can utilize to connect to our camera so that we can capture a video. So we have the capture card here. I'm gonna set that right here. And inside the box, let's see what else do we have. We have some packaging. All right, let's see what we have here. All right, so we have the manual that will guide us through our journey. Take some time to read the quick start guide. Then we have an HDMI cord to connect so that we can connect from the computer, from the camera in our time together. Then we have our USB cord that should be utilized to connect the capture card to the computer. So we have the capture card here. We're going to place it here. Put this up. Then we have our USB cord that we will connect here. Go there. Our USB cord will go to our computer, or it can go to a desktop that we have there. And then we have our HDMI cord. We'll connect this to the device. We'll want to go out. Or where it go in. You have different connections where it will send out a picture, or if you want to send a picture in, it will go here. And so generally with our cameras, you want to go in, to send a picture in to go to our computer. So this is a capture card. And so this device, it's kind of small, sleek, text. You have black, red color. And so because I utilize the Sony cameras, you want to make sure that you purchase the HDMIs for that, with the small end here. That's for the Sony camera. And so you're able to connect that to your camera and then connect this to the capture card where you go in, so that you can send a picture from here to your computer, laptop, or desktop. Many times the cords that come with different things that you order, generally small. And so I have on hand 6 to 3 feet various cords. I have like numerous of these around the area. And so I want to make sure I have a USB-C. Most of the devices that we have today are generally USB-C. But because this device is a USB, I want to make sure I have the correct cord so that it goes from my capture card to my computer. Because I have this, I'm able to connect this like that. Then I'm able to take this and connect it to my laptop or to my desktop. So So you want to make sure you have those options as you move forward. And then you want to make sure that you have extra HDMI cable cords around. Generally, the USB cord, they came with the box like 2 feet. Can't really do anything with 2 feet because I want to make sure that this cord is able to connect to my computers as well as to my various devices. So this capture card, we're going to check it out, do some videos, do some comparison between the ATEM Mini Pro, this capture card, as well as to other capture cards that I have to aid in making sure that the video come in clear, crisp, and the audio video matches. So check it out in the comments. If you have any questions, please let us know. Have a great evening. Bye.